Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to separate audio from video in CapCut PC. In order to do this, you first have to launch CapCut, and after that you will have to import your video with audio. For that you will have to click on import, and after that you will have to select your video. Then you need to click on this plus icon, or you simply need to drag it into this track. Now over here you just have to select your video, and after that you just have to right click on it. Once done, among the given options you will have to click on extract audio. Once you do this, you will notice that now your audio is extracted from this video. Now you can adjust it over here in the timeline. You can adjust its volume. You can even use this dialog box in the top in order to adjust your volume as well as pitch. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.